Here they come.
That one's stained up.
I'll zoom in, but it's going to make it kind of blurry. Get ready, because here they come. Don't bump it. You
Sometimes
can go up there and stand behind Mamaw's car and see them better. Here they come. Landon, listen. Hear them?
Yep.
We're going to count them? Are we going to count them?
I guess so.
How many do you think there are?
I think there's a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. I think
Where's Dutch's?
right there and right there.
Okay. Don't bump the camera. I gotta count them.
There's Papa.
No, we don't know yet. There he is. There's Papa leading the pack.
Papa's.
Don't bump the camera.
Why are they not going full in?
They're going on a run.
Where are they going?
Oh, Mamo forgot to count.
1, 2, 4, 5, 18, 18.
Somebody's bringing up the rear.
1. That's Ron right there. And that's Dodd. That's the old man. And that's Charlie.
Okay, I think that's it.
Are they going